Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I wanted to comment on two statements quickly. One is on the issue of challenges being faced at Kenyatta National Hospital, and just put it on record that perhaps it's time our health committee did actually pay a visit to this particular health institution. I know very well that over the years, due to neglect, and it's good because as I say this, the chairperson of the health committee is here. I'm not sure though whether he's listening to my comments, Mr. Speaker. I know that as a Senate, we have no powers to do budgetary allocation, but they can surely and certainly plead with our colleagues in the National Assembly that that referral hospital, given the number of Kenyans that rely on it for services, Mr. Speaker, it is about time that there is a holistic approach into funding the operations of Kenyatta National Hospital to ensure that it has the requisite budgetary support, Mr. Speaker, to fulfill and meet the request and the demand for services by ordinary Kenyans. While at it, Mr. Speaker, I know there has been conversations about Nairobi Hospital as well, and I have seen some characters, particularly people who don't have any agenda for this country in the opposition, trying to make mockery of the fact that there is need to rescue that particular hospital. Mr. Speaker, I agree with those that are arguing that that hospital is equally as important as any other hospital in this country. The last time I took a patient to Nairobi Hospital, Mr. Speaker, I could tell that there is a problem in this hospital. Every person, right from the doctors to the nurses, unlike in the past where you'd make your payments using your health insurance card, everybody was asking for their payments in cash and on M-Pesa, including the doctors, Mr. Speaker. That tells you there is a challenge. And in an institution of that stature, Mr. Speaker, I hope that a quick resolution of that matter can be achieved so that the hospital can continue to offer services to other Kenyans. Otherwise, Mr. Speaker, we'll find ourselves in a situation where we are squeezing the little space that is already non-existent in other national referral hospitals, Mr. Speaker. I thank you.
Senator Omtata.